Angeles. By the way, they have other locations all over Southern California and New York. So if you're looking to indulge in quality ingredients and super convenient meals, head on over to Every Table, as their mission is to make affordable, fresh, and nutritious food accessible to everyone and everywhere. From delicious bowls to salads and even an array of different refreshments and desserts, I'm sure you'll find something you like. Some of my personal favorites are the carnitas bowl and elote Caesar salad, and checking out was pretty easy, and with grab-and-go stores as well as a delivery service, Every Table is sure to become a staple in your routine.
Happy birthday!
What flavor do you want? We'll overnight it. It'll be filled. Actually, we could order it.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I just finished washing my face. I obviously just woke up, that's why I sound this way or even look this way. But hello, welcome back to the vlog. I just wanted to say good morning, and this morning I wanted to do a little quick get ready with me. I wanted to show you guys some new items that I recently got from Makeup Revolution, because honestly for the last couple months I've been using 1 or 2 or 3 products from them, and I recently picked up more to try, so we're gonna go ahead and try them in this video. With that said, I do want to say thank you to Makeup Revolution for sponsoring today's video. I have a couple of items that I want to try, but I did try this yesterday and I loved it, and so many people were complimenting me on my blush, saying that it was very glowy, very nice and fresh. So I'm loving this product so far. So today we're gonna try these products out. I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions. So no one talks about how weird you feel after not wearing eyelash extensions, if that makes sense. I feel like I mostly get eyelash extensions during the summer, especially because I travel a lot, I'm always in the ocean, and lashes is the last thing I want to worry about, so I always get them in the summer. But now that it's the fall time, I look at myself and I'm like, damn, she's cute, but also I look so weird. It's so weird trying to get used to not having lash extensions again. So the first product I'm going to try is the Makeup Revolution Miracle Eye Cream. It has a very creamy consistency. I don't have a little spatula with me right now, so I just kind of wet my nails, but I went and took Yay Much, and I'm going to go ahead and use my ring finger. This is nice. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it underneath and just put that over there. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Makeup Revolution Bright Light Highlighter. And I know this one says highlighter, but it's also really nice as a blush. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and try the Makeup Revolution Translucent Powder. I really like this translucent powder because it really evens out my skin tone, and it also mattifies it without making it look super dry. I feel like I can still get away with a glowy makeup even after applying this translucent powder. Moving on, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Contour Compact in the shade Light. I'm going to be using this lighter shade here all over my face. Then I'm going to go in again with the translucent powder, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on the bridge of my nose and kind of just bake that area. Alright guys, so my final verdict for the products. Let's start off with the highlighter wand slash a blush wand in my opinion. I really love this. It goes on pretty smooth, and blending it was super easy. I love the natural pinkish tone to it, and it gives you a really nice glow. I have an oily skin type, so I have a hard time finding highlighters or dewy blush that works, but this one gave me a beautiful glowing blush tone on my skin, and I highly recommend. Up next, I have the Makeup Revolution Contour Compact, and I appreciate that this one is a trio of 2 different contour shades as well as a highlighter. Specifically use this shade right here just because this one is a little bit darker, but this one is also really nice, easily blendable, and so is the highlighter. Moving on, we got the Miracle Eye Cream. This is something that I would probably wear at nighttime, but if you wear it during the daytime under your makeup, it's completely okay. I feel like it gave me an airbrush look under my eyes. Last but not least, we got the translucent powder. This is again another great product, especially if you're on the oily side but you still want to have a little bit of glow. This is not going to completely mattify your makeup look. You'll still have glow peeking through it. So those are all the items that I tried from Makeup Revolution, and I'll go ahead and link them down in the description box for you guys to shop them. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. Just straightened my hair. Super simple, super easy. Hi guys, I just finished filming a couple of videos and I just got my Amazon package, so I'm going to do a quick Amazon haul because maybe you guys need these items as well, and I'll have them linked down below for you guys. But the first thing that I got is this face wash right here. This is the Panoxyl Acne Foaming Wash, and I find that this is the best foaming cleanser that I've ever used so far. I have literally bought like 3 bottles of this already, and I need a new one because I'm going on a trip pretty soon. Then the next item I got is this little brush cleaner, and I don't know if you guys use a comb or a brush, but I specifically use a brush. It's just a lot more gentle on my hair. I don't know about you guys, but my hairbrush has a ton of my hairs in it, and I really do not do a good job of cleaning that out. Like, I feel like whenever I go on trips, my mom makes it a point to clean my hairbrush for me, and so I got this one so I can just like easily like scrape it off. I've never been so excited to clean my brush, but you know who's gonna have a lot of fun with this? My mom. I feel like whenever I go on trips, she like texts me, she's like, I just cleaned your brush. She has like nothing else to do when I'm not here. Up next, I picked up this little jewelry bag, and I actually have a lot of jewelry bags, but the problem is my necklace somehow always just ends up getting tangled even though I separate them. So I saw this on Amazon. So you can hook your necklace up here, and then you can separate them in these little sockets right here, and it'll just like land on the end. And it also came with these little dividers, and you can put like your bangles and my dangly earrings. My normal earrings are fine in my other jewelry cases, but my dangly earrings, they get tangled so fast, and I literally hate untangling jewelry more than anything. So I like that this one came with these little dividers, and you can literally just like insert your jewelry and then they're all separated. And on the back you can also put like your stud earrings, and there's also more necklace hooks on the back. And speaking of travel items, I picked up this backpack here, and this is like a carry-on backpack where it has so many features, or like it has so many compartments that you can like put stuff in. For the last couple months, or ever since like last year, my carry-on item was always the Beis weekender bag, and don't get me wrong, I love Beis, I love my weekender bag, but my shoulders are feeling it, guys, because in the bag I have like all my camera equipment, just because I don't want to put them in my luggage just in case my luggage gets lost. I also have my laptop and all of my other electronics, so like vlogging camera, the chargers, my laptop chargers, extra chargers, my GoPro, my drone. I have a lot of equipments that I carry with me in my carry-on bag, and I honestly feel like it's not good for the sake of my shoulders, because I'm only really putting pressure on one side. So I found this on Amazon, and it looks really compressed right now, but obviously as you fill out the items, it's gonna be a lot puffier and bigger. And there's just so many compartments. There's like one here, this like medium section before like the big main section, like And I like that it's like insulated, and there's just like a lot of things that you can put your stuff in, and you can also like charge your phone on the side. And I really want to try using this for my next trip instead of the weekender bag. I feel like the weekender bag is perfect for like a weekend getaway. Like it's just like something that you can use to like put your stuff for the weekend and then put it in the back of your car. And honestly, at this point, I'm going for the comfort. Obviously, this whole outfit and backpack is questionable. Yeah, I also have 2 more items coming in the mail. I'll show those when they get here. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick Amazon haul.